upbeat music playing. Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to your favorite channel, where we help you make the smartest buying decisions. Today, we've got a showdown between two titans of the 3D printing world, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo. It's like Batman versus Superman, but with more plastic and fewer capes. So, let's dive in and see which one's gonna be your next best friend in the wonderful world of 3D printing. Host places the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro on the left and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo on the right side of the screen. Alright, let's start with the most important thing, the price. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro comes in at $249. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is slightly cheaper at $239. So if you're saving up for that extra-large coffee at Starbucks, the Kobra 2 Neo might be your pick. But hey, what's $10 when you're already dropping a couple $100, right? Next up, print speed. The Kobra 2 Neo claims to be 5 times faster than your grandma knitting a sweater, with a maximum print speed of 250 millimeters per second. Meanwhile, the Neptune 3 Pro is more like your grandpa, taking his sweet time to make sure everything's perfect. Reviewers love the speed of the Kobra 2 Neo, saying it's great for quick projects. If you're in a hurry, the Kobra's got your back. But if you're one of those slow and steady wins the race folks, Neptune's your guy, with reviewers praising its precision. Now, let's talk about extruders. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro sports a dual-gear direct-drive extruder. It's like the muscle car of extruders, giving you smoother filament feeding and fewer clogs. Think of it as the bodybuilder of the 3D printing world. The Kobra 2 Neo, on the other hand, has a new integrated extruder that's more like a sprinter, fast and efficient. Reviews highlight the Neptune 3 Pro's reliability in filament feeding, while the Kobra 2 Neo is praised for its speed and efficiency in melting and cooling filaments. Auto leveling, because let's face it, nobody has time to play with manual leveling. The Neptune 3 Pro comes with a fancy auto mesh bed leveling system that scans 36 points on the hotbed. It's like having a personal assistant who makes sure everything's perfect before you start. Kobra 2 Neo isn't far behind with its LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling. It's got this unique module that compensates for Z-axis offset like a pro. Reviewers appreciate the Neptune 3 Pro's thoroughness in leveling, while the Kobra 2 Neo system is noted for its smart adjustments. And lastly, customer service. The Kobra 2 Neo offers a 1-year after service, with the print head warranted for 3 months and the heated bed for 6 months. Plus, they've got lifetime technical support. If you're the kind of person who constantly needs reassurance, Kobra's got you covered. Neptune 3 Pro, on the other hand, is like that friend who's always there but doesn't need to shout about it. They're reliable and silent, just like their stepper motors. Reviews for Kobra 2 Neo highlight the responsive customer support, while Neptune 3 Pro users appreciate the steady reliability. Reviewers have a lot to say about both of these printers. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is praised for its ease of assembly, precision, and reliability, making it a favorite among users who value quality and are willing to tackle minor challenges. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is lauded for its speed, user-friendly interface, and strong customer support, though some users have reported issues with connectivity and software reliability. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo head-to-head. If you want speed and efficiency, go for the Kobra. If you're into precision and a quieter experience, Neptune's your buddy. Either way, you're getting a fantastic 3D printer that's gonna make your creative dreams come true. Upbeat music playing. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Drop a comment below and tell us which printer you think wins this battle. Until next time, happy printing and stay smart. And remember, product links are in the description.